Hey guys, back at it again. So I got a package in the mail. Been waiting for months for this. And that is the mini Orgy replacement palette. So it came in a little teeny box and came with a card, which none of my orders have ever come with this, and it reads, I'll show it up close to the camera too as well. Jeffree Star Cosmetics takes pride in creating amazing products that give the makeup community the best experience possible. If there is an issue, we will make it right. Please find your replacement mini Orgy palette inside. Love and Lipstick, Jeffree Star. So that is, I don't know if it's focusing. There you go. That is that. And then next up, I can't believe this finally freaking came, you guys. It took long enough, right? These were supposed to be shipped out in December. Oh, my hair. Weren't shipped out in December. Then they were supposed to be shipped out in January. Was not shipped out in January. Oh, focus on me. So yeah. Here she is. This looks so much shinier than the one I have. Hang on, let me pull it out to just compare. Oh, it's the same. So this is the old one. This is the new one. Hopefully this stays focused on me. I just clicked that and okay, get this out. I had to open both ends to get this out. It was not coming out, which normally with my stuff I try to open just one end. It's all good. Okay, so it looks like this in the front. Here is the back. Let's see if I can get it focused more for you guys. There's the back. Focus on me. This freaking lash is gonna be the death of me on the lip. Okay. Wow. Why? I feel like this looks so much different, but maybe not. I will put them side by side here in a second. So this is the replacement. Let's see. So it's just looking like. Okay. There's the new one. Let me set that aside real quick. I do want to pull out the old one just to show you a visual. I was going to do a separate video swatching them, but I might put it into this one. Just because this one's going to end up short. So this has been used, obviously. But it looks like this. Okay, that's the old one. Now, let me see if I can do a side-by-side for you. I just want to look for myself real quick here. Okay, so for sure, I'm noticing immediately, it almost looks like there's a different type of shimmer in the Soaking Sun. The foam party, the middle one at the bottom, almost looks bubbly, in my old one. So let me show you here. Okay. So this one over here is new. This one is the old. Let's see. Now, if you look closely at this one here, you see the bubbling I'm talking about? So again, I'll put these side by side so you can see again. There definitely visually seems to be a little bit of a difference, but not much. Again, this is the new one here. It almost, the shades, I don't know if it's because one has been used and one hasn't, but the shades almost, it almost seems like the color is like just ever so slightly different. So yeah, that is my unboxing of this, you guys. I don't want it to be too long, so I am going to, let me see here, do a separate video. I'm gonna swatch these palettes side by side. My freaking lash, y'all. I'm gonna swatch these palettes side by side and see what we find out. So be on the lookout for that video. That'll be coming real soon. But that's all I have for this one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.